welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a little experiment. I'm going to try to make a basic pattern of top part. Yes, top part. Sorry for my English, I'm Spanish. I want to make a basic pattern to be able to make a lot of designs with these patterns. We are going to make it for curvy body and also for normal Barbie body. And as this is an experiment, we are going to learn together because it's a method that I wanted to try for a long time ago, and now we are going to try today. So let's get started. process was going to be much more easier. That's why I decided to pardon. That's why I decided to give you as a free printable in my website, because I thought that maybe it could be a tutorial, but it's a little bit difficult. Don't worry, you will have linked down below the free pattern. And noted that with these patterns, you're going to be able to make many designs. And very important, these patterns is only for stretch fabric. If you want to use woven, probably it's not going to work very well. So, or maybe you can base the design in this pattern and then make little adjustments. Yes, adjustments. And you can maybe have the woven pattern as well. Anyway, in this channel we're going to make many patterns, especially and designs with this based in these basic ones. So I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.